Welcome to Shorthand Hangover, legal dictation number 6 for various court exams. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. The state government has not projected any clarity in the matter of self help groups except that they are granted a unique identity number by some agency known as National Rural Livelihood Development Mission. Mere allotment of a unique ID by National Rural Livelihood Development Mission for the purposes of grant of license to run a fair price shop on behalf of the state is not enough. Registration of self help groups and their functioning under well defined aims, objects, and bylaws, coupled with the criteria of credibility, are the relevant dimensions to fix accountability. Stop para. In the present case, this court may note that incentive payable to the fair price shop owner is a state largesse. The self help groups whose identity for want of registration or any such foundation is doubtful cannot be termed as juristic persons within the meaning of public bodies or public institutions. Even if the services rendered by a so called self help group are voluntary, yet the relationship of agency between a self help group and state must have a legal sanctity. Stop para. The court also emphasized that the law does not conceive application of the rule of preference by eroding competition in a level playing field. The government order dated 7/7/2020 undoubtedly is violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India once it excludes the participation of eligible village residents and other juristic persons such as cooperative societies or gram panchayats at par with the self help groups. The individual's right of consideration as compared to that of a juristic person for employment or grant of license by the state stands on equal footing, and no one can be eliminated or ousted in order to promote a monopoly in favor of any particular category of persons like the situation at hand. Stop para. The rule of preference is supplementary to the essential rule under which every person, including the public institutions or public bodies, may compete for allotment of a fair price shop in an open meeting of the Gaon Sabha. The purpose is to design a result oriented delivery system. The mandate of Section 12, subsection 2E of the National Food Security is for an inclusive competition between the individuals and various categories of public institutions or public bodies such as panchayat, self help groups, cooperative societies, etc. Stop para. The question as to whether it was right for the state government to supplant the existing process of selection prescribed under the government order dated 5/8/2019 by a rule exercisable at the discretion of district magistrate slash collector, and that too by ousting the participatory rights of the eligible local villagers. In my humble view, the impugned government order dated 7/7/2020 defeats the very object and purpose of the Article 243A together with Article 243G of the Constitution of India when read with Section 15 under bracket 29 of the UP Panchayat Raj Act 1947. Stop para. The High Court reiterated that right to food is a fundamental right of every human, without which the dignified existence of human beings is inconceivable, and the state has a bounden duty to make sure that no one dies of starvation/hunger. The discharge of this obligation, the High Court observed, the government must have a public distribution system and the same must fulfill the object of targeted public distribution system, that is to reach out to the underprivileged citizens and work to the optimum good of targeted village population. Stop. Hope you like the dictation. If you like the dictation, please like, subscribe, share with other. Press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.